how to add product category in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can add product category to your website. Now as you can see right now, I am currently on my Wix dashboard and we're simply going to edit our site. We're going to click this. And all over here, this is our website right now. What we're going to do next is we're going to click on add elements over here on the left side. And as you can see here, this is where you're going to see all the different elements available for us. Now, since we have a lot of elements over here, we're simply going to click on search over here and we're going to search for product category. And as you can see here, you would be able to see all related product categories for our elements. As you can see here, you could choose from product widgets, related product gallery, and grid product gallery over here. You could choose from all of these different options that we have on our elements. Now, it is completely up to you on what you would like to have. And to add, you're simply going to click on the specific element and it will automatically add to your website. As you can see over here, it automatically added our slider gallery to our website. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.